The 25th of April marked the 9th anniversary since Swedish-Iranian academic Ahmadreza Jalali was arrested in Iran. In October 2017, he was sentenced to death after a grossly unfair trial. He is currently, colleagues, the longest-standing EU citizen held hostage by the Iranian authorities. And as a consequence of the years in prison, malnutrition, not giving the medical care he needed and torture, his situation is really serious. He said in a video, "I am at my breaking point." So colleagues, on this heartbreaking anniversary, I call on you, Madam President, and all the colleagues to take action and repeat our call. We ask for the immediately and unconditional release of Professor Jalali, just like we voted here in this House. Thank you very much.